Most people use Claude like an ordinary chatbot. That's why they get average results. In the next 10 minutes, you're going to completely change your mind about Claude, and with this AI tool, you can do most of your YouTube work for you. From writing scripts to generating video ideas, titles, descriptions, research, and even your channel strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 97% of what Claude can actually do for your channel. And there's a specific trick that nobody talked about that before, and you will learn it today. The trick is called prompt writing. Without this, you'll keep spending hours writing scripts that go nowhere, guessing at titles and watching your videos underperform. While other creators who already know this are publishing faster and growing faster. That gap only gets wider the longer you wait to learn it. Alright, let's start from the beginning. What exactly is Claude, and why is it important for YouTube? But before that, let me ask you a question. Have you ever used ChatGPT? If yes, great. But Claude has one important difference that makes it especially valuable for YouTubers. Claude is a conversational AI made by Anthropic, built with safety and usefulness as core goals, and that shows up in how it behaves differently for creators. Here are 3 differences that matter most for your channel. First, Claude is much stronger at writing long and high-quality content. If you want to write a 10-minute script, Claude doesn't just write the script. It also considers the storytelling structure, open loops, hooks, and the CTA. Second, Claude is very accurate at understanding context and analyzing text. For example, if you tell it, "This video is for beginner viewers between the ages of 18 and 25 who are using Claude for the first time," it knows exactly who the audience is and tailors the output accordingly. Third, Claude is excellent at remembering context. Context means the information you've already given it. Claude can remember long conversations and keep its responses consistent with everything you've shared before. Over the past few years, Claude has grown incredibly fast, and millions of people around the world use it for content creation, programming, research, and everyday tasks. The reason is simple. It performs these jobs really well. Now that you understand what Claude is, it's time to learn the most important skill, prompt writing. Here's an important question. Why is it that when 2 people ask Claude to write a YouTube script, one gets an amazing result while the other gets a weak one? The answer is simple. The way they write their prompts is different. A prompt is simply what you write to Claude and the instruction that you give it. The more detailed, complete, and intelligent your prompt is, the better Claude's output will be. Let me show you an example. Here's a weak prompt and a strong prompt so you can compare the difference. Weak prompt: write a script about Claude. Strong prompt: write a 10-minute YouTube script in English about using Claude for YouTube. My target audience is beginners who have just started YouTube. The tone should be friendly, simple, and energetic. The script should include a hook, open loop, stakes, and a CTA at the end. See the difference? The second prompt is much more effective because it gives Claude clear instructions. It tells Claude what to write, who it's writing for, how it should write, and what to avoid. You can think of it as 5 simple parts that work together to create a high-quality prompt. Part 1. Role. Tell Claude who it should be. For example, you are a YouTube expert with 10 years of experience. Part 2. Task. Tell it exactly what you want. For example, write a 10-minute script. Part 3. Audience. Tell it who the content is for. For example, for beginners who have just started. Part 4. Tone. Tell it how to write. For example, simple, clear, friendly, like a kind teacher. Part 5. Limitations. Tell it what to avoid. For example, don't use complicated technical words. Now let's build a complete prompt using this formula. This is a prompt you can copy directly into Claude. You are a YouTube content expert with experience creating educational videos. Your task is to write a 10-minute script in English about your video topic. My audience is young women between the ages of 18 and 30 who are interested in AI but are still beginners. The tone should be very simple, warm, and friendly, like an older sister explaining something to her younger sister. The script structure should include a strong hook within the first 5 seconds, an open loop, stakes, educational explanations, and a CTA at the end. Do not use difficult English vocabulary. This single prompt turns Claude into one of the best English scriptwriters you've ever seen. And one important thing to remember here is, never publish the script exactly as Claude writes it. Think of Claude as your first draft. It builds the foundation, but you should always edit the script to add your own personality, experiences, and voice. That's what makes your content unique. But that's only the beginning. Let's look at the different parts of YouTube where Claude can help you. Before we do that, I want to mention one important feature: projects. I'll explain the projects later in this video because they're incredibly valuable. They help Claude understand your YouTube channel, learn your writing style and tone, and create content that sounds much more like you. Now let's talk about video idea generation. One of the biggest challenges for any YouTuber is coming up with fresh, engaging ideas every week. Claude can help by generating dozens of video ideas based on your niche, your target audience, and even current trends. For example, you could ask, give me 10 video ideas for an English AI education channel. My audience is beginners. The ideas should be interesting, practical, and searchable. Within seconds, Claude will generate 10 video ideas, along with explanations of why each one would appeal to your audience. Once you've chosen a video idea, the next step is to turn it into a script. This is where Claude becomes most valuable for YouTubers. With the right prompt, it can write a complete YouTube script, including a strong hook, an open loop, clear educational content, and a compelling call to action, CTA. Another area where Claude can help is with your video title. Your title has a huge impact on whether people click on your video. Claude can generate multiple title ideas for the same video, each using a different approach: curiosity-driven, educational, direct, or even surprising, so you can choose the one that best fits your content. But there's one powerful feature I haven't shown you yet, a feature that can completely transform the way you create content for your channel. And that's exactly what we're going to cover next. Here's one of the advanced tricks inside Claude that no one talks about. And if you learn these tricks, you'll be ahead of 95% of other YouTubers. But if you don't, you'll continue spending your time and energy on tasks that Claude could do for you easily. Now let's talk about the projects feature that I mentioned earlier. If you're using Claude, you have access to a powerful feature called Projects. Think of it as a dedicated workspace for your YouTube channel. Inside a project, you can give Claude important information about your channel, such as your target audience, your writing style, your tone of voice, and your content goals. Once you've done that, Claude remembers all of this information within that project. That means you no longer have to explain who your audience is or how you want your scripts to sound every time you start a new chat. Claude already knows, so every response is more consistent, more personalized, and much closer to your own style. For example, inside your project description, you could write, "My channel teaches AI tools to beginners in a warm, older brother tone. My audience is men and women aged 18 to 30 who are new to AI." Always write scripts with a strong hook, an open loop, and simple English. Avoid technical jargon. Once that's saved, every new chat inside that project already knows this. You never have to repeat it again. Another useful feature is custom instructions. Inside Claude settings, you can set custom instructions that guide how it responds in every conversation. For example, you could write things like, always respond in English. Always explain answers in a clear educational format. Avoid using highly technical vocabulary. Once you set them, these instructions stay active across all your chats, helping Claude consistently respond in the style and format you prefer. Another powerful feature in Claude is multi-step conversations. Instead of treating Claude as a tool that answers a single question, think of it as a teammate. You can continuously refine its responses by giving feedback like, make this better, shorten this section, make the tone more friendly. Each round of feedback helps Claude improve the result, so the output becomes more polished and aligned with your vision. You can also take this even further by giving Claude a specific personality or role. For example, you could say, you are a pro YouTube coach who gives direct and honest feedback. Then you can ask it to review your scripts or video ideas, point out weaknesses, and suggest improvements. This turns Claude into more than just a writing tool. It becomes a virtual coach that helps you consistently improve your content and grow your channel. Well, in just these 10 minutes, you've learned 97% of what you need to know about using Claude for YouTube. But knowing isn't enough. You have to take action. Today, after watching this video, do one small thing. Open Claude.ai, write a prompt using the 5-part formula, and ask it to generate one video idea for your channel. Just do that one thing. When you see the result, you'll understand why watching this video all the way to the end was one of the best decisions you made today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It's the smallest thing you can do for the channel, but it means a lot to me. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.